Remember this? The 8-track player, the one that the lady said doesn't work, but it does actually work. Let's go in the back, let's have a look at the AV, let's see if we can make it work a bit better. So if you remember on that video, we had trouble with this AV socket here, just being a little bit loose. So I'm just wondering if we can pull the AV line out. I'll stop you guys from wobbling here. If we pull this AV line out, we might be able to just fix it a little bit. See that one there as well, that one's wobbly as well, see that? This is made in Japan for Montreal. So they're the connectors on the back. They don't look that bad actually. I think it's just the fact that these aren't pincing very well or gripping very well. Yeah, made in, what is this now? This is a Superior model TRD, Superior Electronics Industries, Montreal, Canada, and they make these in Japan. Wow. So look at that on there. Testing laboratories are approved home entertainment device. I'm not sure what the line in. I don't know what that high and low is. It's 60 Hertz, 117 volts. Some more right in there. Let's have a look at the front. Superior. We have the record button. The one, I think that's what you just play one track. Play all the tracks. Repeat the tracks. Obviously eject. And this, if you watch my previous video when I got this, this is record volume, not, I don't know what program is. That's record volume, not volume. So yeah, let's get on with just fixing this up at the back. Okay, so I'm not sure, I don't really want to take this wood case off. If I can fix this without having to play around too much. I can see that one. Oh, I see, yeah. There's a little clip at the back. I think if we can get some pliers in there, I should be able to just squeeze them. So let's get some pliers and let's just have a go at squeezing them tight. So I've found my pliers. There we are. Let's just see if we can't just tighten down. It's going to be hard to get you guys in. I'll tell you what, let's move you higher. So I found the pliers. I've got two pairs here, a bigger pair. Let's see if we can't just nip that down. Ooh, oh, that's tight now. And that one. You know what, if this is the only repair that this needs, that will be pretty much amazing. Oh, no, I just can't get to that one. So, oh, there we go. Is that better? Nope. Just struggling to get to this one on this side. Oh, that's really tight. So that's it. So we tightened them all up now inside there. Let's put the plate back on and then let's see if it works any better. So that's it, they're done. They're nice and tight now, and that should be better for the sound, because if it's just one this right out was giving a little bit of trouble. Let's plug her in. There we go. Still a little bit loose, but I don't know how tight they're supposed to be. Let's see what we get. See what happens. So let's try a little bit of Ketty Wells. I've never heard of her before. Let's plug it in. Get the player. In you go. Ooh. Sounds a bit better. Loud, gee. Oh, I've got it on almost 3/4 volume. Something I was wondering when I bought these, I have these blank tapes, so I'm wondering what's on the blank tape. Not too worried. Or should I be worried? Nothing. Nothing on that one. So that's a blank tape. Let's try this blank tape. Oh yes, there's something on it. But I gave up my hope to see spirit of mine grows tired and won't him to have my name. Mommy and Daddy, can I sleep here with you? What? Well, battery. It works. And he's got something on that tape. We've got nothing on the other tape, so we could see if record works on the other tape. But Kitty played back okay. Interesting looking at some of these really old 8-track music cassettes. What I'll do in the next video, I think, with the 8-tracks, my other one doesn't work. So that's this one here. The one I actually paid $10 for. What we'll do is we'll take it apart and see if it's just a fuse or if it's something else. If not, yeah, this one was advertised at $1, and yeah, I didn't pay $1. I paid a little bit more. So, but I'm glad I gave her a little bit more because this one actually works, which I'm really happy about. Just need a little bit of fine tweaking. I'm not going to mess around with it. It works fine. I'll probably just clean the heads, and yeah, I want to slot it in with a stereo system, and then when I've finished it all, I'll show you guys at the end. But it's going to take a while to get everything together. If you enjoy stuff like this, just don't forget, just drop us a like or a subscription or whatever, or even a comment. Just say, hey. Or say like most people do, you don't know what you're doing, do you? And I go, no, I don't. But I'm learning. See you on the next one, guys.